Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange with Disciplined Trading Strategies and this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 9/10 of 2023 and the stock was CSX. This happened on Wednesday the 6th and this is based on a 60-minute major resistance strategy, entry on a 1-minute DTS breakdown play, management advance reward to risk 1.7 to 1. Lots of things going on this week for free members, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday is the bi-weekly scanning night. Come join us. If you're already a DTS member, don't worry, you will get your invite automatically. If you are not a DTS member, if you're seeing this on YouTube or somewhere, go over to the DTS homepage, disciplinedtradingstrategies.com right here, and find out how you can become a free member to attend educational events. Also would be that one on Wednesday. It's free for DTS members. It's going to be called Evaluating Some Professional Trading Rules. It'll be a fun event, very educational night. Come join us. And finally, Friday, we are starting the next cycle of the DTS seminar program, and that kicks off with the Friday class that everyone is invited to, Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis. There's a lot of great information in this class. I don't care if you've been around for 10 years, you will learn some things. And if you are going to be taking the DTS seminar program, it's a mandatory first class for you. And then, of course, the next day, we begin the Saturday paid event. The next 3 Saturdays will be for the DTS seminar program. If you're interested in attending, find out how you can sign up on the DTS site. This is the stock, CSX, the daily chart. This is not the chart I found to do the day trade this day, but this chart fully supported. We have that red bar breaking down below some other bars. That's not really important in and of itself. It's how it does it and how it reacts to that breakdown. We're going to open flat that next day. And it's going to just open right there, just a fairly small bar that day, not a big deal. Notice again, I always emphasize making your money from normal moves, finding great concepts, finding precise entries, getting in there at the right moment. The daily chart was not the one I found the trade on, but it fully supported the trade. Here's the chart I found the trade on, the 60-minute chart. This is actually the chart that I found when scanning. This is the kind of chart you kind of drool over that night before and you can't wait for the next day. We opened kind of flat right in there, and then we're going to run up. And then when we broke above the prior highs, I went long as a breakout. Now, if that's even something you consider doing, you're never going to make money as a trader. That is not any kind of a concept of a breakout. It doesn't exist like that. And yes, it's even a short when you break above the prior day's trading range. As a matter of fact, that is the best time to do it for a whole variety of reasons. You don't want to stay under the day's trading range. You like to break above it when you short like that. Actually, this was a great entry in here. We'll look at it on the next couple of charts in a little more detail, but entry right in there and targets on that drop. All the targets are taken in 2 hours. The entry is right around 10:30, a little bit before that. Here's a 5-minute chart, and we can see the detail a little bit better. We're going to open down in there. We kind of flew lower initially. First, that little bottoming tail. Then we ran up and running up into there, coming off that top. This is a good entry, under 30.13, stop over 30.23. I don't normally go at tight stops, and this actually is not a tight stop. It looks like it because it's 12 cents outside. But this is a very non-volatile stock, CSX. It does not move a bunch. It does have very good liquidity, so you can get the shares you need. 12-cent stop. Boom. Target 1 was on a walk away. I left the screen during that period of time. I actually came back when the stock was much lower. That was target 1 there at 30.01. The prior area of support right in there. It wasn't a big support area, but it was something to take a target on. Maybe should have done a third. And then target 2, good target 2 because it really never went much lower than right in here. So took it on that little bounce right in there over a trail over 29.81. You can see a little more detail on the 1-minute chart here. The open, of course, right in there somewhere. The entry coming right off of there. Very nice little entry. Perfect chart to enter on. And target 1, you can see, and then target 2 is way off the screen as it was 29.82, and that happened a little bit after noon. This stock is a very liquid stock, and it was easy to trade, and it was easy to follow along with. It was one of the ones on the watch list, and we waited for it. If you like well-planned trades like this, that you can jump in and trade with us, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Hop on over to the DTS homepage and figure out how you can join us. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.